Installation options for architectural grade aluminum windows. Integration with another aluminum framing system. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Learn how architectural grade aluminum windows can integrate into large aluminum framed elevations such as storefronts and curtain wall systems.
Then other ways to install windows, the example that you see here is a larger glazed glass elevation, and in the right in the center is an operable unit. So in newer construction, modern office buildings, if you're trying to encourage natural ventilation, use of natural air, you can incorporate windows very easily into larger glazed elevations like you see here. Concealed vents are very popular. Here's a large curtain wall elevation that has concealed vents that project out. So with a concealed vent, when the window's closed, the sight line is all concealed to the inside and the glass is flush with the adjacent fixed units. You don't see the operable units until they're projected out to the exterior. Again, with today's products, I mentioned a lot of windows are available in triple glazed configurations. So that allows you to take a high performance curtain wall with very good energy performance and insert operable windows in it so you can encourage use of natural ventilation and still maintain high thermal performance across the elevation. There are many options available to architects today with high performance triple glazed units, polyamide thermal breaks that will allow you to not compromise the performance of the operable unit to gain natural ventilation. The operable unit and the performance of the curtain wall work together to maintain thermal performance across the elevation. Working with high-rise multifamily projects, again, you have a lot of codes to comply with regarding life safety elevations. If you look at these elevations, they're punched openings that have 3 columns. The 2 columns on the ends have casement windows. So in all of these elevations, all these punched openings, you've got 2 operable casement windows in each punched opening. And those all comply with life safety requirements of hardware being located where it can be accessed easily from the interior, single point operation, and limit of opening no more than 4-inch spear can get through it. So those are nice operations there. This is concealed sightline windows. This is really kind of moving forward in technology. If you notice these concealed sightline windows, you can see they're the smaller row right there at about 10 foot up. Then up at the top, you can see another row of concealed sightline windows. You might ask now, how can I operate those windows? They're so high, nobody can reach those. Well, that's the unique thing about these. These are designed to be operated by the building's HVAC system. These are integrated into the building, so we have a smart facade here where the building controls the windows itself. As it senses cooler air on the outside, it's going to open the windows to draw in air. Then as it starts to heat up during the day, it closes the windows and relies more on artificial cooling on the inside. So this is a neat configuration. This is the direction we're going with operable windows, so that they're integrated in with the building's HVAC system and then operated and controlled by that to allow greater use of natural ventilation. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.